Hi everyone, my name's Mary.
My name's Nancy.
And we are Mana. We're here coming from Canberra, and we're very happy to be here on Loka Mai Heni live entertainment. Thanks Dad for inviting us to join your music platform. Just give us a shout if you're there and you can hear us clearly. Before we get started, we just want to give a thank you to Soana Viane from Vaini Town. That's our mum's beautiful village. Soana Viane is originally from Brisbane, but now he's residing in Tonga. Him and a few of his brothers have a few successful businesses back in the kingdom. These include the Evila House at Halavona, Nuku'alofa, and Bo'ohila Furniture. Excuse me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'm sure Dad will correct me later. And that's in Vaini as well. So Soana Viane is a very successful farmer as well. And he has some markets in Tonga. Some of his fresh foods have been imported to New Zealand as well, and should soon arrive here in Australia, and in the United States. So thank you. We love you too, Dad. And hello, Vika.
Hello.
Let us know where you're at. So we're here to win the $200 prize. All you need to do is like and share Loka Mai Heni live entertainment, coming straight to you guys. Yes. We're going to sing a few songs. We're going to mix it up a bit. We love our old school sounds, R&B. So I hope you enjoy. Hello, Mary, Dolpha.
Hello. You guys just let us know how the sound goes as we go as well.
Yeah, yes.
All right. Get ready to boogie.
Send us photos too. We'd love to see where you're at. He's coming from Tonga, Australia. Hi, Miss Labaha, Maka.
All right, should we do this?
All right, let's do it.
Let's get started.
Thank you, beautiful Sharon. Baby, let's go from here. Don't be confused. The way is clear.
we're gonna fly away, glad you're going my way. I love it when we're cruising together. Music is played for love, cruising is made for love. I love it when we're cruising together. Music is played for love, made for love. I love it when we're cruising together. Music is played for love, cruising is made for love. I love it when we're cruising together. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and follow Toli in the game to win $200. $200 on a Saturday? Why not?
Thanks, Winnie. Where are you guys from? Send some photos. We want to see your beautiful faces too. Yes. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes, Dad. You're still in. You're still cool.
Alright, we got this one.
Thank you, Gustav. Could you guys take after the old man?
I think we're more natural than
Yeah, you guys breaking it down. I can see a lot of the dancing emojis.
Yeah.
Send us the photos. This one's another old school one. Sing along, sing along.
Hey Mom, we see you.
Oh, hey Mom. Mom's at work.
You say through my window, I'm watching as he passes by. And I say to myself, I'm so lucky, he's so blind. We're not getting old. We're not getting old. To have a boy like him, it's truly a dream come true. Out of all the girls in the world, he belongs to you. But it was just my imagination running away with me. Tell you it was just my imagination running away with me. I see. Soon we'll be married and raise a family. Have a cozy little crib in the country with 2 children, maybe 3. I tell you I can visualize now, baby. If it couldn't be a dream or too real in all shame. Oh, but it was just my imagination running away with me. Tell you it was just my imagination running away with me. Every night on my knees I pray, dear Lord, hear my plea. Don't ever let another take this up from me, or I will surely die. Heavenly, when her arms unfold me, I hear a tender rhapsody. But in reality, he doesn't baby, run away with me. Tell you it was just my imagination, running away with me.
It is a good way to practice that. It's nice. Thank you, thank you. We're getting some on-site tips here. What have we got here, please? Nan, who's on there? Remember, what do they need to do?
Remember, guys, to be in the draw to win $200 Australian dollars.
What are you going to
need
do?
to like, follow, share.
And drink tea, Mom says. Yes, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. We're really enjoying our time here. Our next number, Dad, sit back
Sit back.
and take it in.
Mana's about to show you how to do some Bob Marley. Ready?
Loving the fire and all the emojis.
I hope you all have your red dress, huh? Hey!
I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share shelter, hey mama, of my single bed. We'll share the same room. I don't think that's what I say. But y'all provide the way. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I feel it? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I feel it? Ooh. I wanna know now. I got to know now. I'm willing and able. So I put my cards on the table. I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share shelter. Oh, somebody of my single bed. We'll share the same room. But y'all provide the way. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love and I feel it? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love and I feel it? Ooh. Oh, nice dance over there. Oh yes, I know, yes I know, yes I know now. Got to know now. I'm willing and able. So I throw my cards on the table. You say I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together. Right over our heads, we'll share shelter of my single bed. We'll share the same room. But I provide the way.
thank you. Don't forget to share Loka Mai Heni. The more shares, the more chances you go in to win the $200 prize. Thank you, Mary. Really appreciating. Thanks, Auntie.
Alright, we've got somewhere in 5.
Alright. Hi, Mia. Winnie. Alright, Dad's saying the winner will be announced here today. Ladies and gents, so make sure you're here for the chance to win. Yes, so get your shares in, share the live, and be in the draw to win $200. Australian dollars.
Alright.
Okay. Are you guys singing along?
Unforgettable, you twist and fit the mold that I'm in. But things just get so crazy, living life is hard to do. I'm the world, get up and go if I knew that someday it would lead me back to you. That someday it would lead me back to you. That may be all I need. In darkness, He is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. 'Cause running slow on Sunday morning, and I know always fingers straight to every outline. Oh yeah. Hang a pencil with my hands, whoa, whoa. And back and forth we swing like branches in a storm. Dreams so back us still together when it ends. So that may be all I need. In darkness He is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday, and I never want to leave. Hey, come on. Woo! My little color coming still, I'm right back. Like I'm charged, my little charged. Oh, yeah. But things just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. Life gets hard. And I'm falling out to you. Think someday it'll bring me out to you. But I wish to bring myself back home to you. You may not know that, baby. Oh.
Thank you guys for joining us. Keep them coming, keep them coming. Happy Saturday, friends. Happy Saturday. Oh, it's a lot of fire.
Wow, I'm loving the
here.
fire here.
Fire.
Hey, these are sending through the vibes.
I think we should book in every Saturday. What do you reckon, Mary?
Hey, not too much pressure.
This one we're gonna keep it rolling.
Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think about the things what to do. In my head I paint a picture. Since I come home, well, my God is there, and I miss your cheesy hair and the way you let me say. Won't you come on over? Stop thinking of fool out of there. Why don't you come on over there? Run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. And if you have to go again, put your house on the upside, and you go to for your I hope you're feeling back again. I hope you'll find the right little places for you. And now you're shopping everywhere. Change the color of your hair. And if you have to pay that fine, the people dodging all the time, I used to see you there. Thank you, love. Since I'm coming home, well, my body's hurting, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like the hair. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out there. Why don't you come on over? Sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the border, and I think about the things what to do, and in my head I paint a picture. Since I come home, well, my body's hurting, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to wear. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out there. Why don't you come on over? Run away. Run away.
Thanks for all the love, guys. Thanks, everyone. It's good to see you here with us. Awesome, awesome. Yes, keep sharing, keep sharing. Loka Mai Heni, Loka Mai Heni.
Loka Mai Heni.
Alright, what have we got for you?
I'm about to jump myself in the drawer and I'm going to share this live feed too.
Ooh, yes.
Because I could do with $200.
It's a race. It's a race. We still got some time. Alright, we're taking it way back. This one here kind of reminds us of
That's not how it sounds very sick. Don't you feel it growing day by day? People get ready for the new. Some are happy, some are sad. Oh, we gotta let you play. What the people need is a way to make them smile. It ain't so hard to do if you know how. Break it down, girl. You gotta get a message, get it on through. Oh, now mama's going after a while. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. All the time. Yeah, that's right, Mom. This one is our art teacher. Our art teacher. Our angel. But I know you know better. Everything I say. Living in the country for the day. We'll be happy and we'll dance. Whoa, when I just lose the way. If I'm feeling good to you, you're feeling good to me. There ain't nothing we can do but face. Feeling good, feeling fine. Oh, baby, let you see my head gonna come in here now. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. All the time. Thanks, guys. Like a lazy flowing river, surrounding castles in the sky, and the crowd is growing bigger. Listen to the happy sound, and I wanna let them fly. Listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. All the time. There's my memory, guys. Yeah, let's go. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. All the time. Thank you. How are we doing out there? If you have any questions about Loka Mai Heni live entertainment, just direct that to Toli Mahina, and he will answer all of your questions.
So Malu and Ivana, I know you requested to be up next, so just talk to Uncle Toli.
Yeah. All right, let's keep it rolling. How's everyone feeling there? You guys feeling good? Enjoying your Saturday? At Lenovo. We get it.
Thank you, Auntie Melagola. Where are you at now? Hi, Fifita. Hi, Winnie. No, thank you, Mia. Appreciating the fire and the love. Malu laughed properly. All right.
A bit of Lionel Richie.
Yeah, that's probably it. Thank you so much. Well, my friends, the time has come to raise the roof and have some fun. Throw away the work to be done. Let the music play on. Everybody sing, everybody dance. We need us to lose yourself in wild romance. We're going to party, kolomu'a, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. We're going to party, kolomu'a, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. All night long, all night. All night long, yeah, all night long, all night long, people dancing all in the street, see the rhythm all in their feet. Life is good, wild and sweet, so much love. Let my music play on. Feel it in your heart and feel it in your soul. Let the music take control. We're going to party, Latin, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing my song. All night long, all night, all night, all night long, all night, yeah. Everyone comes in the the $200 is, Dad, you want to say it again? It's Winnie. Winnie, where are you from? Tell us a bit about yourself.
Congratulations, Winnie.
Winnie Tafuna, yes, we're having love here from Canberra.
200 Australian dollars going your way. Congratulations!
Yes, nice work. That's all you have to do, guys. Just like and share. And follow. We're loving the fire. Guys, remember to jump onto Loka Mai Heni. The music industry is changing. So to have platforms like this to continue to support artists and your local artists and talents, it's really amazing. So all the support is really appreciated. Yes, and you congrats and love to Winnie. That must be some awesome Saturday news. What's the plan, Winnie? Go spoil yourself.
You're taking us to dinner.
All right, let's keep it rolling.
Are we gonna keep rolling?
We keep it rolling.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Jokes. Jokes.
Oh, good morning, Uncle Bila.
Good morning.
Wondering when you were gonna wake up, eh? Or you still like Papa?
No comment.
Hey kids, shake it loose together. Spotlight hitting something that's been no detention weather. We'll kill the fatty cat tonight, so stick around. You're gonna hear electric music, silent halls of sound. Say Candy and Riley, have you seen them yet? Oh, just hope you stay down. The Benny and the oh, the weird and the wonderful. Oh, baby, she's a really king. She's got electric boots, I'm more head suit. You know I read it in the magazine. Oh, the Benny and the Jay. Hey. Oh, hey, Sue. Oh, hi, Sue. Hey, kids, plug into the faithless. Maybe they're blind, okay, but then he makes them make sense. So we're going to the street. Wish I survived. Let's take the some love. Hey, Pops, hey. Where we find our parents out in the street to find out how to move wrong. Candy and Riley, have you seen them yet? Oh, they're so big, that's all my now. Oh, but they're weird and they're wonderful. Oh, baby, she's a really king, yeah. She's got electric boots, I'm more hair suits. You know I read it in a magazine. Oh, but Benny and the kids. Hey, thank you so much. Let's go. Hi, Bee. Break it down with us, guys. Let's go, Vinny. Show us your celebration dance. Yes, we need to see a photo of you, Vinny. Yeah, we need to see your happy face. Yeah, just want $200. Come on. Hey, Candy and Riley, have you seen them yet? Oh, the folks face down. The Benny and the Prince. Oh, but the weird and the wonderful. Oh, baby, she's a real king. She's got electric boots, a more hair suit. You know I read it in the magazine. Oh, the Benny and the Jay. I'm talking about Benny. As always. I'm talking about Thank you guys. Happy Saturday. Yes,
party? What's happening?
They grew up with it when they were young with their parents. Yes, we did. We grew up in Brisbane with our family who had a family band named Tropical Sounds. Yes, honey and tea, Mom. You're not here to make my tea and honey.
Alright, we're bringing it
We're gonna push through.
we got Bruno Mars, right?
We've got some Bruno Mars, got some R&B here.
Bit of new school, eh?
Is that what they call it?
Is that what we call it? That's what we're gonna call it.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Hey, baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass in the body. We're gonna get to that. So pop it for a pin, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a pin, drop it for me. I wear some beach house in my head. Hey, wake up with no pen. Lots of tail for dinner. Julio service in. You got it if you want it, got it if you want it. You got it if you want it. Take my wife. You want it now, jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give to you to be shining so bright. Strawberry champagne all night. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Love by the fire and night. Silk sheets and diamonds, alright. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. I'm talking trips to Puerto Rico. Hey, say the word of Rico. Hey, you give me my finger. Boy, I'll be your finger. Promise me that I ain't never make a promise that I can't keep. I promise that you'll smile and you'll never leave. Stop and be steps. Everything's like no cares. Now take a look in the mirror and tell me what's right like you. If you need me, say something and I will agree, baby. Cadillac, put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give to you. Rosary shining so bright. Strawberry champagne all night. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Love by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, alright. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. And when you want a good time, here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Tell me what's on your mind. If you want it, girl, come and get it. All this is here for you. So tell me, baby, what you trying to do? Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne all night. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Love by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, alright. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Hey, thank you. Did you guys enjoy that one? I bet we got you on your feet. Yep, Mila's on her feet. Mila? We're here to jam you. I love it. I love hearing that. Where are you guys from? Where are you guys from? We're here in Australia, Canberra.
Bit of Drake. This one's dedicated to our mom.
Biggest Drake fan.
Baby, I like your style. Crystal waves flowing like waves. You know that I don't wait. She's not taking better than I wanna take. Even when I'm away, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray, they can't back them on please. I pray, I need you, I do one day. Gotta never see in my head. One more time before I go. Higher power, faith, and no longer. The I see you one day. Gotta never see in my head. One more time before I go. Higher power, faith, and no longer. Baby, I like your sound. Strength and guidance, all that I'm missing from my friends. Nobody makes it from my end. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. So that you see text reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We got no time, that's why I feel one day. Got a Hennessy in my head. One more time before I go. Higher power, take a hold on me. I need one day. Got a Hennessy in my head. One more time before I go. Higher power, take a hold on me. Break it down, guys. Alright, Mama, Mom, Ivana, we're waiting for the doctor. We want to see some videos. Where is that? Let's look at share and like this page. Support your local artists and platforms like this. Oh, tell me, I need to know, where do you wanna go? 'Cause if you're down, I'll take it slow, make you lose control.
Thank you, Mom, for that request. I think you got them pumped over here. Yes. We're going to bring it back down. This one's an old school one. So sing along with us. Don't Dream It's Over by Crowded House.
We've got America here, we've got Tonga, Australia.
If you see, hello. Good to see you. That's it. Let us know where you're at. Thank you, Neo. Thank you, Bo. Mary. Alright, let's do it.
That's it, keep sharing with your friends. Won't you let it down? Thank you.
So I think our band behind us.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Even though the competition's finished, there's still more coming. So make sure you guys still follow, like, and share. You could still be in the draw. How come your voices are as good as mine? I've been wondering why you haven't come up on the page yet, waiting for your live. You got Malo and Ivana there, they're ready to dance. I think they said they're going to sing with you too. Hey?
You would help. Skip these.
Skip it.
Yes.
What do we got next?
Oh.
This one's dedicated to our cousin Malo. You know what it is. want to mingle with you, boy. And I just want to mingle with you, baby. Well, I'm young, free and single, and I just want to mingle with you, boy. Come on, break it down, break it down, one time, two times, three times. Alright, who we've got here? Damaged hip. Gas by Pipita. I like it. I like the side emojis. Bring in the vibes, send through the vibes.
Oi, someone's ready to mingle.
Oh, calm down. Bye. Oh, wait, no, you're not saying bye.
So I'm ready.
Yes, alright. Let's get this one. If you know it. Hey, let's stick to the list, hey? Thanks, Ma. Thank you. Folks, text us. Just not to see what we're going from the spot like that, eh? So waiting to see some photos of all your beautiful faces. Yes. No, Uncle Villa, we're in lockdown. There's no cover anyway in Canberra. Maybe a drop on and more, like last time, eh? Thank you, everyone, for staying tuned with us today. This is our first live, and we are loving it. Thank you. We want to live it's hot in July. Though the world's full of problems, we can touch the season if they try. From the park by the river, Molly's high on the box. Tonight there'll be a party from the corner at the end of the block. I didn't know you would be coming to the girl. Get nobody else and told you that you would be coming to the girl. And we're jumping home. Hey! Share this live, guys, share this live, wanna see you. Everyone wants to join the fighting, but our answer today is to let all our worries, like a breeze through our fingers, slip away. Peace has come to save our way. The world's right on the run. Now's the time for celebration, 'cause we've only just begun. Didn't know that you would be trying to do it, but no.
had a really strict coach. Break it down, guys. Hey! Oh, this fire! This fire! We're loving it. Thank you. You was me and my happy. Was a matter of fact. I can say that I'm standing, 'cause we all just made it back. We the beach together, joined as children in time. When you're moving in the positive, destination is the brightest side. Didn't know you were jumping into it together. But nobody else told you that you were jumping into the together. But nobody else told you that you were jumping into the together. But nobody else told you that you were jumping into the together. And we're jumping and jumping and jumping and jumping on. Yeah. We'll be jumping until the break of dawn. We love you too. Where you at? Where you at? Thank you. Don't forget to jump on Loka Mai Heni live entertainment. Coming straight to your lounge, through your phone, wherever you may be.
It's low.
We are here.
Oh, Tennessee.
Okay.
Is that okay? Sorry. Hi, Isa. Isa Lay. Keep it up, girls. Main thing is to enjoy the music. That's it. That is what we're doing. Or we're gonna give you a private one of both ducks. Yep.
But that's hi Fee.
Well, can you see me?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Fee. Hi, Auntie.
Hi Auntie. Next one, Mary. What do we got next?
We've got here Tennessee whiskey. Want to bring it back down again. Don't be shy. Join in. Don't forget to share the page. Share the slide. Thank you again for checking in. We still got a few more songs for you. Used to spend my nights out in the ballroom. Liquor was the only love I know. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back from the end to follow. So that's good. Tennessee whiskey, you're my sweet strawberry wine. You're as long as raspberry, and honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. I've looked for love in all the same old places. This is our favorite too. Found the bottom of the bottle was always dry. Yeah, sing along. But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high.
problem, honey. I stay so on your love all the time. Alright, how we doing? How we doing? Anyone else getting to the vibe? Baby, it's the vibe, so the vibe. For the dream now, eh? We're always having a dream. It's a beautiful day in Canberra. I don't want to mind the view. How are you all feeling over there? Thank you again for joining us. Having a lot of fun here. I'm seeing Let's Go Alhamate. Definite Let's Go Alhamate.
Let's go. We got a couple songs left.
We got a few more songs left for you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Continue to share and like the page. Share the live so you can enjoy the sounds with your friends and family.
We gotta bring it back up.
We'll take it back up. Bring it down, guys. Hey! Down around the corner, a half a mile from here, you see them walking front, and you watch them disappear. Without love, where would you be now? Without love, you know what's always moving down the road and turn. She left the home and the family, and she won't be coming back. Without love, where would you be now? Without love, well, the hill is always central, and the southern central praise. You gotta keep on to mama, you know they're running late. Without love, where would you be now? Without love, that's the one, that's the one. Alright, ready to do this again? Alright, let's go, Mary, let's go. Okay. Well, the hill is always central, and the southern central praise. You gotta keep on pushing mama, cause you know she's running late. Without love, where would you be right now? Without love, well, the business keep on working.
We're going down. We gotta pull it down. Baby, 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 we're pulling down. With the big chains up and the wheels they keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on moving.
Yes! How's everyone's Saturday going? Is it Saturday over there? Was it Sunday? Wherever you are in the world,
We hope you're enjoying yourself.
we're going to keep on this vibe, bring in some Blondie. Let's go.
Beautiful, just like your auntie, very old.
How are we going, guys? This is our last song for the day. Who do we have next this evening? Okay. So we've got our last song. We're going to bring it back down. We hope you guys have enjoyed our live entertainment. It's been really fun here at Loka Mai Heni. I hope you guys are keeping safe and well. And yes, our last song here is Blue by You. Hope you guys enjoy.
I feel so bad, I've got a worried mind. I'm so lonesome all of the time. Since I left my baby behind on Blue Bayou. Sailing Nichols, sailing down. Working till the sun don't shine. Looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou. I'm going back someday. I'm going back to Blue Bayou, where the folks are finding and the world is nice on Blue Bayou, where the sunshine comes from the sails flow. It's like a lonely sea. Hold up familiar sunrise, those sleepy eyes, how happy I'd be. Gonna see my baby again. Gonna be with some of my friends. You're sorry, living out the better on Blue Bayou.
Again, my name's Mary.
My name's Nancy.
And we are Mana. Hope you guys are keeping well. Thank you for joining us today. Again, remember to like and share Loka Mai Heni live entertainment. We really enjoyed our time. Thanks, Grandad. Thank you, Anna.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah,
This was so much fun.
Yeah, that's so much fun. Thanks, Mom. So last announcement, we're going to invite you guys to visit LMH on Sunday at 6:30 p.m. where Tamatongia will go live with someone with some church songs for you. Tama is our granddad, so we're really privileged to announce you here. Thank you guys again for having us. We hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and weekend. Stay safe, look after each other, be grateful for all of our blessings. We're definitely grateful for you. So take it easy.
Thank you.
Much love.
Bye.
Bye.